Okay, in this video we are going to be making this brick. It's going to have a couple more steps than the last one that we did, but mostly the same, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker this time. So we're going to go File, New, Metric, Standard IPT, exact same as always. I'm going to start a 2D sketch, I'm going to click this bottom plane there, and I'm going to do a rectangle, and I'm going to do the 2-point center rectangle. I'm going to click and click again. Going to go to dimension, click this line, click again, and type in 16. And we're going to make this one 16 as well. Make that 15. Once we're done, it's all purple, we can click finish sketch, then go to extrude it, and we're just going to do 10. Going to start a sketch, and when you're doing this, just make sure you're not clicking on the rectangular sides. Make sure you're clicking on this square side that we've just made 16 by 16. You don't want the 10 by 16 side. So I'm going to click up here. I'm going to click my circle, and I'm going to draw the circle somewhere up here. And same as last time, I'm going to click 5 and then click enter. So I don't need to dimension it. We do, however, need to dimension it into place this time, so it's exactly in the middle. So I'm going to click the line, then I'm going to click the center of the circle. You'll see that you're clicking the center of the circle when the size goes away and it highlights white. I'm going to take this over to the side. You could just click over here, but it's nice and tidy if you do it over there. I'm going to click 4. I'm going to click this vertical line. Same again, wait until it goes white. Click again, and I'm going to make this 4. Now you could repeat that 3 more times, but there's another tool that you'll want to learn, which is called the rectangular pattern tool, or rectangular array, which is what I'm going to call it. I'm going to click the rectangular array tool, and it first comes up with geometry, then direction, and direction 2. And you'll see that there's these different pointers, and that's just telling the program what part you want to use first. So you need to tell it what geometry you want to duplicate. So it's already selected geometry, so you don't need to click anything. I'm going to click my circle, and then I'm going to click direction 1, and I'm going to click the first direction I want to take it, which is going to be my horizontal line, so I'm going to click this yellow line we've created. Then I'm going to click direction 2, I'm going to click this vertical line. You'll see that it's duplicated it, but it's all on the wrong side and all in the wrong place. So try and get that part first, and then you can worry about moving it around. So you can flip it by going to flip. You might have to flip direction 1, might have to flip direction 2, it's just quite random. And then we want it right in the center, so the size we need is going to be 8 and 8. We could put in multiple of these, so if you're doing the other brick later on, you might need to do 4. So if you're doing the longer brick, you might need to type in 4 there, but we're just going to leave it at 2, so don't worry about that. So that is quite a tricky tool. If you get stuck at any point and it's not working, maybe you've just clicked the wrong tool and you want to start again, just cross it off and click it again and see if you can get it working the next time. So once you've got all your parts, I'm going to click finish sketch, I'm going to click extrude, and make sure you click all your circles. It's not going to automatically pick it this time because there's so many, and then this extrude is going to be 2. Our last step is to just make it hollow in the bottom. I'm going to click start sketch. I'm going to click my rectangular pattern, rectangular shape tool, and this time I'm not going to use the dimension tool. I'm just going to type in my number, which is going to be 13, and 13. Finish sketch, extrude. This is going to go cut. You could click cut and then type in 9, click OK, and that's this one done.